I will read what is this plaque of recognition or certificate of recognition to be awarded to Mrs. Sharon Teñoso, Logo Accounting Processor A, Metro Tayog Water District, as a token of our esteemed gratitude and valued appreciation of her auspicious presence and special participation as guest of honor and speaker. The theme is the Graduate, a partner towards transformational society and answer to societal change, given the 6th day of April 2011 at San Roque A&P Pilot School, San Nicolas, Pangasinan, during the 64th graduation and closing exercises. Signed, Lydia Gahona, Advisor, Marilo B. Agbanay, Advisor, and yours truly. Palakpakan tayo ako. Another to be awarded certificate of appreciation is awarded to Mr. and Mrs. Lester G. Salagubang for having remarkably and tangibly managed their home and family, especially in education of their children who have attained success, and for having inspired others in the community to strive for better, healthier, and happier life. Given this 6th day of April 2011 at San Roque A&P Pilot School, San Nicolas, Pangasinan. Signed, yours truly, signed, Mr. Fernando B. Sanchez, our District Supervisor. Another certificate of appreciation will be awarded to Mr. and Mrs. Edralino in Agbanay III. So, dua po ang kasawa. Isumot lang, linaon na diyan basak tatay nga naipasa akin ni Mr. Saragupa. Thank you. Palakpakan tayo ako. Apo, usuda pa'y dagutoy nga naganak, nukitayo, dijay tayo. Dijay, San Roque A&P Pilot School, kunana, isuda, pinangidonar, apo, dijay. Ada jay gate, di nga to. Thank you.
Coming up next is the distribution of certificates to the members of the graduating class, together with their respective parents, guardians, and may we request our district supervisor, principal, and guest speaker to award the certificate.
These are the candidates for graduation for school year 2010-2011. Grade 6A, Anchela Regino R. Bernal Jus Joshua T. Dotimas Henschel Q. Lifeguard John Paul T. Limos Romuel R. Marsan JRL. Quiroz Kenneth L. Salagubang John Paul A. Salagubang King Mark B. Samarista Mark Cesar F. Solis III Alfredo B. Tagipad Enrico G. Yes. Agbanay Mariette K. B. Ancheta Mary Angel R. Ancheta Rosemary R. Kasakop Ayla Gracia May E. Drapesa Janen Joy T. Espirito Prima Joy S.
Alfredo.
Heron Julian D. Hernandez Minalen N. Mereliana Acalia D. Mereliana Fredelen G. Rodriguito Rochelle D. And Biduya Giselle F. For grade 6, section B, under Mrs. Marilo B. Agbanay. Andaya Junel D. Cabanilla Aldren F. Kadingpal Erickson T. Drapesa Junior Lupeto A. Dulay Frances M. Pires Kim C. Rababo King Allen Brex M. Ramos Charles L.I. Ravara Mark Angelo T. Ravara Mark John T. Ritital Oliver V. Rodriguito Janico B. Sebastian Ryan Christian M. Tinuso Jeric T. And Velasquez Jr.